I'm just going to teach how to basically manage and navigate this theme. So whenever you download it, it's going to be like this in a zip file. Don't open it, because if you open it, it will basically Shopify can't read it because it needs to be in a zip file. Okay, you're going to go into your dashboard here on online store on the left, themes up, and then on the top right it says upload theme. You're going to drag and drop that file, upload the file. Now, in case you did open it, let's say you did open up the file, what's going to happen is going to open up a folder. All you have to do is right click, compress, and it gets back into a zip. Okay, cool. And so while I showed you that, so now it's down here. We're going to click on publish, publish, and then we're going to edit the theme on a different window, which is this window right here. I'm just going to close that older window that I was doing. So basically here, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a blank canvas, basically. Let's just go ahead and just upload some some assets, so we're able to just kind of show you guys how to design this. So now you could have the landing page here with a picture, of course. Now if you want a video, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go back in here into content. You're gonna have to go to files, and then here I just have a Tommy Richmond video. I'm just gonna upload it real quick. Now, because now it won't let you upload a video unless you have officially, got a Shopify subscription. So in this case, I'm good, right? But if you guys you're still in the trial, then I would go ahead and just choose like the basic monthly service. I think it's like $29.39, whatever. So once you upload the video, which is an MP4 file, you can upload different files, but let me see. I'm just gonna exit it here. On the right side, there's like this little chain that says copy link. We're gonna copy that on here. We're gonna do this, paste it, and then we're gonna turn this on. Show background video. Now we can show the background video. Now you could always turn it off if you have a more, just elegant, clean look. For this sake, we're just gonna leave it off for right now, and we're gonna save it. Okay, so then now here comes kind of like the technical parts. Okay, so whenever you're in here, let me see, I think I might have, whenever you're in here, you're like, well, how the heck do I go into my next page or whatever? So this is where the top piece right here goes into. So right now we're in our home page. We're gonna go down to collection list. Okay, this is where your collection is going to be, right? So so you're probably like, well, how do I connect those things? So what matters is this menu right here. So you're gonna go into your menu, okay, and then let me see. Well, you're gonna have to create a menu. So your menus are gonna be same place, content, menus. You go to your main menu. For in this instance, home is home page, which whenever you click home, it's gonna take you to the same page. So nothing's gonna change. So you're gonna go in here. You're gonna click collections, all collections, save it. Okay. Now we're gonna reload this. So just give it a second, because I mean my internet is kind of fast, but I have so many things open that you don't see because I have Shopify. I have all kinds of apps open right now. So now that we click home, I don't think they updated it. Yeah, let's do it again. Reload. Did I save this? Let's see. Come on. There you go. So now that I click home, and it goes to the collection list. Okay, cool. Perfect. So now here in the collection list, obviously, you add your collections that you want in here. And then, I mean, there's a whole other video I can make. I mean, I'll just run through it real quick. To make a collection, you gotta add some products. So let's just add a product here. Let's just put like sample hoodie. Okay, really don't. Sample hoodie. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to upload a basic hoodie. And we're just gonna put the price of like, I don't know, let's put $49.99, I guess. Okay, we're gonna save it. We're gonna come down here. Now on the same page, products collection, we're gonna click here and put add collection. Let's just say spring 2026. I don't know. And then, you know, I love my collection. I don't know, man. You can put an image on here if you like. Everything's good, so we're gonna save it. Once you get into like a more detailed like designing, UX design and all that, you can definitely go in here, change the theme, templates and all that. But for right now, we're just doing like a very simple thing, you know. So here we're gonna go into collections. It's not saved yet. It's not updated yet, so we're gonna have to reload that. Because I want, so now that we made this collection, spring 2026, you can now connect this product to this collection. So we're gonna go in here. Now it's here because we updated it. Okay, now we're gonna save it and let that wait. Now it's not gonna be in here fast because, oh, here it is. Never mind, it is fast. Spring collection. There's one shirt. Okay, but basically what will mostly happen is so this page is the collection list, right? So you can have all your collections here, and then people click on the collection, it opens up the collection, they go to each product, and then they go into the product page. You see how on the very top it helps you like know where you're at. So we went from home page, collection list, to the collection, and to the product page. So now if we want to go home, we just click on the very top, and boom, bada boom, bada boom. Okay. So, and then obviously on the main menu, you can right now we have it as home, but we can always go back to content, menus, main menu, and we can just change this to something more personable or personalized, like enter the store. I don't know. And then these other ones, we could just put like spring 2026. Okay, and then here we can select the collection 2026, update that, and I mean we can even delete this contact page. Doesn't really matter. I mean, you can put a contact down here on the footer of it too. I'll teach that later. But we updated that, so now we're just gonna reload this page, and you're gonna see the menus changed. Just give it 1 second. So now the menu has changed. Now I don't know if you can really see it because this picture is probably the worst picture to have on yellow. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna turn it off. And but you get the gist. Picture, video, etc., etc., etc. Okay, cool. So now you're probably wondering, okay, well, how can I want to delete this footer, I want to delete this logo. So you're gonna go in the top left to theme settings. Now the good thing about this is you can definitely put a music player as well down here. Let me see, you can't really see it that well, but music player down here, can upload the picture here, and then on the music URL it's the same thing. Remember, all your files are going to be stored in content files. You can upload a song here, copy with the chain into your URL, boom. Okay, so now if you want to take off this logo, we're just going to go down here to logo, enter screen logo. Let's just I had this I think I had a logo here. Let me just upload this. I don't know if it's gonna look good because it's black on black, but then, you know, I mean, I can make these 3D logos, right? I know how to. So, but you can, I mean, you can put anything in here. It could be a GIF, it could be a PNG, whatever. You can size it down, size it up, it don't matter. Okay. So so that's the way to do it. And then footer settings, if you go down here, you scroll all the way down, you can even change the copyright, you can put your brand name, you could change the header, what it says down here. You see this? This is Cortez, search, privacy. You could change it to a little money, I don't know, something. No, I want to take that back because we don't do that over here, but oh god. I don't know why I even did that. But and it changes it to there. This is your footer menu. Again, I know I'm jumping everywhere. Let me just stay on this one. So when you go down here, there is a section that says show footer on homepage. You can turn this off, and now this goes away. So now when people land to your store, it's just this. It's very clean. You save it, okay, and then enter. Boom. Pretty cool, right? Enter the store. You go into the collection page. Perfect. Cool. All right, bet. Now, and even up here, like to change this, restore last session. No. A lot of the changes you're gonna change. So like default logo, you're gonna want to change every single like collection page. Like you're gonna want to change every single logo in here to the logo that you're gonna use. So like for instance, if I change all my logos on here, it's gonna be on my home. It's gonna be on my home page, my collection list, my collection, my product page. Okay, so that's a good thing to do. Now on the footer settings, we're gonna go down here. And I believe you can change the footer picture right here. You see, so this is the only part that maybe people are gonna get confused. So you can change your logo from in every page on the headers, but on the foot, and that's gonna be under theme settings. Now for the footer, we have it under a footer in each page. So in each page, you're gonna have to go into your collection list, product list, home page. And if you want to show your, the bottom right here, you can also click on footer, go down here and change this to the logo. And it should change the logo. Okay, there you go. Now, something super simple, but I'm going to tell you anyway. You can definitely change the fonts. We already talked about the music player, the clock settings. You could change that. What else? I'm trying to think of anything else so I don't forget. I mean, those are kind of like the main. I would say like the main things people are wondering about. Yeah, that's about it, really. I feel like there's one more thing, but I'm forgetting. Clock settings, enter screen layout, typography, announcement bar. You can turn on announcement bar too. Collection homepage. This one's black, so I mean, oh my gosh. So on the home page, which is this one, you can have this bar. Oh yeah, now I remember what I wanted to say. So let me go back in here, and then you can also connect, your social media, clock, all that good stuff. So here in theme settings, you can also where is it? Enable lazy. Oh, yeah, you should have that on. It's gonna be on either way. Search page, footer settings. I don't think this one might have it then. I think it's a different version. Shop layout. Oh wait, I think it might be this one. Oh, here it is. This is what I wanted to show. So The good thing about this is like obviously this is a cool ass theme. You can change it to from this classic version to this 2.0 version. Now I saved this, so we're good right here. But this is just for to show you. So if we go in here, man, I didn't save it. That's probably why it's not showing. Desktop to columns. Oh, okay, so this is changes. It's because I need a collection in here. That's what's going on. It doesn't, like, it's not going to show it because it doesn't have a collection in it. And then once you go into the collection, oh, that's so cool. Once you go into the collection, it's going to be like this. And then I think if we change it from classic to 2.0, collection list. Man, I don't want to save it though. But basically, this is the change, yeah. So you see how like your collection opens up as. So the first version was like just your page and then it had a menu, and then this one is more like elegant, I would say. So it's like this. Now you don't even have to do it the way I did it, like on the home page. You don't even have to do it on the ender, so you could just have it straight to your spring 2026 collection, so people get straight to the point. But yeah, I mean, let me see, show background. So now that we save it, let's just take a look at it, I guess. View. Okay, perfect. So we got the store. Enter the store. Spring 2026. You can change these colors in the settings, theme settings. Pretty easy. I don't think I have to go through that. Just click it. Like, oh, I want to go check his collection out. Okay, cool. Oh, crap. This is a spring collection. Oh, nice. Well, let me go buy this. Sample hoodie. Obviously, when you put a bio, you're going to have more information here. You're going to be like, oh, wow, this is texture, all this good stuff. The care instructions. You can put all that. In this case, it's sold out, right? But it would say, like, add to cart. Click on the cart. It takes you to another menu. It takes you to the checkout, which would be, this would be the cart. This is what it will look in the cart. Checkout customer accounts. This is another page that you can customize as well. This is how it looks for the people. You can change the colors here on the left. You can put the logo up here. And I mean, there's more like in-depth stuff. Like, for example, this payment. You can go in here into your finance or I think settings, and you can connect like payments, like shop payments, etc. But yeah, that's kind of like basically the overview of this theme. So, and the good thing is there's two different styles. You can vary from the 2.0 to the classic. So yeah.